is safe Scrum Master better than CSM? So that's the question. So I am rereading the question, and probably that I want to do some Scrum Master certification. Should I do safe Scrum Master or CSM? That's the questioner might be exploring on. Because see, whatever is better or not better, it depends upon who is the taker. Yeah. So there cannot be an absolute evaluation of what is good and what is bad until unless they are very comparative product. So now, if you are working in a safe environment and you have not been introduced to Agile and Scrum before, and you want to understand that, I believe doing Safe Scrum Master might be a good idea for you because you are working in the safe environment. If you are working in a generic environment, you have an idea that I may work in a Scrum, I may work in Agile mode, I may work in a non-Agile mode, but I want to understand what is this Scrum Master probable role and what is this Agile and Scrum is all about. So you learn Scrum in a CSM class. You don't learn. So you learn how Safe is using Scrum in Safe Scrum Master class, but you learn Scrum from a Scrum Master class. Now, and again, it's not about good and bad, it's all about your use. So for example, there are many events, or I call it meetings, whatever way you understand, which might be happening in Safe, but they are not necessarily an essential event of Scrum. So in the Safe training, you will learn about those meetings because the assumption here is that you are attending a Scrum Master role, or you are learning about a Scrum Master profile when you are working under Safe umbrella. So like program increment planning meeting, long-term planning meeting, which is happening there when you, and that could be an advantage for you if you are really doing it, but that could be a disadvantage to you when you are not doing it, because you get confused. Oh, when I don't have that meeting, how do we get started? Yeah. So when you don't have a Safe, those meetings will not be there. If you don't have a Safe, those roles will not be there. Yeah, which were coming because of Safe. So there could be a confusion in you in case if you go directly to a Safe Scrum Master a program. Yeah. So if you are a new, CSM is a good place to start with. Yeah, Safe is definitely popular in a large enterprise space, but again, if you have 100 organizations implementing Agile, out of 100, maybe 20, 30 will go for Safe kind of thing, or maybe less than 20 will go for Safe kind of thing, because that's a different space. So, but Scrum might be needed in all the 100 organizations. So it depends upon where you are targeting, and you can choose which one is your starting certification point to work with.